Welcome to my channel. I am Cheva, and on this video I am gonna try this hair dye from the brand that okay, this is the brand. I don't know how to pronounce this brand. And the number 5.0 is a medium brown. It says here, and this is the main reason why I wanted to try it out, it's that it will cover your grays 100%. I am used to use the Joico N5 and do a longer process. It takes about an hour and some change. And I wanted to see if this product will cover my grays and reduce the time that I take to dye my hair. It also says that it lasts up to 28 washes. I don't think so, but I am not here for that. I am here for the gray coverage. Here I want to start mentioning two things. Number one, my hair is long and I only needed one box. And two, I do have gray hair and I do have stubborn gray hair. And I wanted to mention this because a lot of people mention in other videos that I posted, like how she can make this type of video. She barely has any gray hair. She doesn't show her gray hair. I have more than hair. The thing is that I have been dyeing my hair since I was 16 years old because my mom and my dad, they have had gray hair since they were young. So I have inherited that from them. And I also have a lot of patches in my hair because I bleached my hair in the summer. And yeah, so I do a lot of things to my hair when I am bored in my house. So I wanted to mention this so you can see what the product covers or what it doesn't cover. So now in the box, in the set, comes 4 bottles. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So number 2 and number 3, you're gonna mix it together. You're gonna let it set, and you're gonna apply number 1 from mid to ends. You're gonna apply it. It's like a protector for your hair. After you apply number 1, your mixture of number 2 and number 3 should be ready. Then I apply that on my roots, starting at the very top because that is the part that I like, that I am very interested in covering because it's where I have the most gray hair, the most noticeable gray hair. And I did that with a brush. I apply it with the brush. After that, I just put the mixture on the palm of my hands and I started to cover the whole length of my hair. I like to wrap my hair with a plastic bag. In this case, it's a Walmart plastic bag because it helps my hair to absorb the product easily. There have been times where I skip this part and I have definitely noticed the difference. So don't forget to use your plastic bag, okay? I'll let it sit for 40 minutes. This is the day number 2 after dyeing my hair, and look at that. It definitely covered my grays. And I am very surprised because I can get this box from Walmart. It's actually a really good product comparing to the L'Oreal and many other brands that I have tried before. The only thing that I will have to mention about this product is that apparently I didn't massage my scalp really good when I was washing my hair. So make sure that you do that because it's gonna be stained. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know in the comments what other hair dyes you would like me to try. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!